Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super easy earring. It is made of a piece of paper, two pieces of paper, and this super cute charm that I found in a €1 shop in the form of a bow. We will create the other one, and it's quite easy, and you can create this earring in minutes. Okay, we will need some glitter paper. In my case I will use this one. We will need a paper punch. In this case is a circle punch, and we punch two circles, 1 and 2. So we will glue together the circle in this way. Okay, voila. And you can create this earring in many different ways. You can change the form, and if you don't have a paper punch, a circle punch, you can use another punch, or you can use a form, a template of a paper heart, the form that you prefer. Okay, now leave it to dry. In the meantime, we will punch a hole here. This is these are the beads that I bought in the €1 shop, and you can choose the bead that you prefer, the charm that you prefer. I'm sure that you can find the charms in many different ways to use to embellish your earring. Now we will need to punch a hole here in order to put our jump ring and to hang our bow, sorry. Here, and the charm here, and now the poster ring. We will close our jump ring. Voila, the earring is ready, and you can change here. They are so nice, so easy to make and so nice. You can create them in many different ways with some different charm. You can use the charm that you prefer. In my case I like this bow because they are quite charming, and then quite beautiful for me. And then you can use beads as you prefer. It's this is only an idea, and I would to give you an idea on how easy it is to create a paper earring. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please leave a comment below the video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.